All right, number 5, we want to evaluate the polynomial for the given variable. So we have t squared plus 2t minus 3, and we're giving t equals -6. All right, so I want to show you two methods. One I like a little bit better, synthetic division. I will use that more likely moving forward, but you can do this a number of ways. We're going to replace the t with the -6. That's the way they want you to do it, or one method. So the t is a -6, it is squared, plus 2 times -6. You just plug that in for every t, and then minus 3. Now, with synthetic division, we call this like a little box number, so whatever value you're plugging in is going to go in the little box. And then you look at your expression, your polynomial, and you're only going to write the coefficients. So, looking at the exponents, we're going to count down from whatever your largest degree is to 0. So you got 2, 1t, 0 t's. So as long as you have all those in order, you have all your terms. Let's say if I had the 2, but I was missing this one, and I just had the 0, I would need to put a 0 as a placeholder. So what I mean is, the coefficient, the number out front of here is a 1. The next number is a positive 2. And the next number is a -3. So you're going to list all the coefficients. So I was saying if this term was missing, I would put a 0 there. This way is simple, it's just multiplying and adding or subtracting. So you bring that first number straight down, 1, -6 times 1. You write the answer up here. That's a -6, and then you combine. So a positive 2, -6, you're going to subtract, you get -4. -6 times -4, so every time you go below the line, you multiply. -6 times -4, write the answer up here, is a positive 24, and then you will subtract again. Positive 24 minus 3 gives you 21. This is our answer, 21. If I do it this way, 6 squared, or -6 squared, is a positive 36. 2 times -6, -12, and then minus 3, and then you just subtract 36 minus 12 is 24, minus 3, you still get 21. Okay. Sometimes this way is a little bit more complex when you have a higher power, or you got a multiple and a power, so you got to do a few more things, but just be careful. I like this one, it's always the same. Just bring it down, multiply, add or subtract, multiply, add or subtract. You keep going till you get to the end, but you can see they both work. All right, so number 6, same type. I'm just going to focus on this method right here. So I'm plugging in a -4. I have a -x squared minus 10x plus 3. So I'm going to plug in a -4, -1, -10, 3. Bring down the -1. -4 times -1 is a positive 4. Subtract these, we get -6. -4 times -6 is a positive 24, and we get 27. Okay, so our answer is 27.